Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel, The Crafty Fairy. Today I'm going to show you this easy and aesthetic glass bottle art. You do not need any painting experience for this. I'm applying gesso on a sponge brush. Now we gotta spread it out evenly and smudge it over the glass bottle. This is an old glass bottle I got for buying milkshake. I have washed and peeled off the label. Now smudge the gesso evenly over the glass bottle. Once it is even and well covered, let it rest until the gesso dries out. I have chosen to use purple color today. You can use any of your favorite color, and to lighten it out I am using a little bit of white color. This is acrylic paint. Now I again spread it out evenly on the sponge brush and smudging it over the glass bottle. While doing this, be gentle, otherwise the gesso would peel off. Once all the sides are even and well coated with the paint, let it dry for another 3 or 5 minutes. I did not like the way how the rim looked, so I am using burlap and glue to stick burlap over the rim. Adding burlap gives a rustic and aesthetic vibe to any decor. I am finally satisfied with the way how it looks. To make it look more aesthetic, I am going to add some dots. Today for this I am going to use the back of an old toothbrush. I have dipped it in white acrylic paint and making even sized and evenly spaced out dots all over the bottle. Let it dry for 3-4 minutes and our bottle is ready. I am going to add a few flowers and use it as a decor on my table. Hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel The Crafty Fairy. Thank you.